Ready to turn your Photoshop skills into cash? Discover the secrets to unlocking a stream of income on Fiverr in today's guide. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unveiling the roadmap to monetizing your Photoshop skills on Fiverr. Stay with us till the end as this video is packed with actionable insights that can transform your digital artistry into a revenue-generating venture on Fiverr. If you're a wizard with Photoshop and are looking to cash in on your skills, Fiverr is a goldmine waiting for you. It's an online marketplace bustling with buyers in need of your Photoshop expertise. Now, let's break down how you can turn those skills into dollars on Fiverr. First things first, your Fiverr profile is your billboard. It's what potential buyers see first. So, make it pop! A professional headshot for your profile picture and a captivating description of your Photoshop expertise is a must. Pro tip, spice up your profile description with keywords like Photoshop expert, graphic designer, or photo editing. This little trick can boost your profile's visibility on Fiverr's search radar. Now, on to the heartbeat of Fiverr, gig creation. This is where you lay out your services for buyers. Be clear, be specific, and flaunt your unique Photoshop services. Here's a taste of how you can craft your gigs. Gig title, Professional Photoshop Retouching Services. Description: I'll give your photos a professional retouch, ensuring high-quality results that meet your expectations. It's all about showcasing what you can do with Photoshop in a way that resonates with potential buyers. Here's another one. Gig title, Creative Logo Design using Photoshop. Description: I'll whip up a unique, eye-catching logo that mirrors your brand's identity, all crafted with Photoshop finesse. And one more for the road. Gig title, Background Removal and Transparent PNG Creation. Description: I'll neatly erase the background from your photos, handing you a clean, transparent PNG file, ideal for e-commerce or product photography. Pricing your services right is crucial. Initially, consider offering packages at different price points to cater to a broader range of buyers. It's all about striking a balance between competitive pricing and the value you provide. Let's talk about getting your gig in front of the eyes that matter. SEO isn't just for Google, it's your best bud on Fiverr too. Start with some keyword research to figure out what terms buyers use when hunting for Photoshop services. Now, sprinkle those keywords throughout your gig title, description, and tags. But remember, no keyword stuffing. Keep it natural and make sure your gig reads well. Feeling the pulse? Stay in tune with our beat. Hit subscribe, offer a like, and ring the bell for more synchronized content. Ready to catch the next wave? Let's roll back in. High-quality images in your gig are like a magnet for buyers. Use visually appealing images that scream professionalism and skill. And hey, why not name your image files using relevant keywords? It's an SEO cherry on top. Moving on to the service itself. Outstanding service is the name of the game on Fiverr. Happy customers often translate to stellar reviews, referrals, and repeat business. It's a trio of goodness that can propel your Fiverr success. Communication is your ally. Swift responses to buyer inquiries and regular updates throughout the project keep buyers in the loop and happy. It's about creating a seamless buyer experience from start to finish. Time is of the essence, and delivering your work on or before the deadline is crucial. It not only builds trust, but also sets the stage for positive reviews and potentially more business from the buyer. Every buyer is unique, and so are their requirements. Paying close attention to what they need and delivering a final product that goes beyond their expectations is a surefire way to win hearts. Promoting your gig shouldn't just stop on Fiverr. Take it to the social streets like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Showcase your work and guide potential buyers to your Fiverr gig. Engaging in online communities, forums, or groups where folks are seeking Photoshop services is also a savvy move. Offer helpful insights and subtly direct interested peeps to your Fiverr gig. Guest blogging is another avenue. Share your Photoshop knowledge through informative articles or tutorials on popular blogs or websites. And sneak in a link to your Fiverr gig in your author bio. By exploring these promotional avenues, you cast a wider net, pulling in a broader clientele beyond Fiverr's marketplace. In wrapping this up, turning your Photoshop prowess into a money-making venture on Fiverr is a journey. An exceptional profile, SEO-optimized gigs, stellar service, and some external promotion can significantly up your chances of making good money. Stay committed, hone your skills continuously, and adapt to the ever-evolving marketplace. Your dedication coupled with strategic actions can carve a successful Photoshop freelancing career on Fiverr. Still attentive? Your steadfast gaze is about to intersect with e-brilliance. Delve into the depths of a free ebook, heralding the peak online business tactic set to detonate today. Yet the saga is far from over. Beyond the ebook's confines, a gutsy 15-day challenge emerges, honed to precision for this e-odyssey. Piloted by e-visionaries, trailblazing insights, and an arsenal of dynamic tools, your route to online notoriety is luminous. Can you sync with this exceptional avenue? Dive with zeal. Trigger the link in the description ASAP and carve your trajectory to digital prominence. Closing the curtain on today's e-earning magic show. Tried the method? Magical outcomes or any tricks up your sleeve? Share your sorcery in the comments. Did today's money trick astonish and amaze? Hit like to see more enchanting revelations. Eager for continuous magical money insights? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're on stage for every performance. Before you disappear, notice that video hint? It's a portal to another realm of online gold. Step in and let's conjure more wealth together. Until our next magical rendezvous.